What's up, y'all? It's LiiNatural here, and I am back with another install. Okay, your girl is doing an install. I'm really excited. This hair I already actually purchased from these people before, so I'm very, very, very excited to share with y'all this install. So I'm gonna be doing an entirely different color, as you can see. Peep that. Yes, get into it. Look, lovely. Blonde with the brown. I was really feeling this. I really thought that this would look really cute, and they reached out to me and I was like, yes, yo, why not? So it's hot girl summer, right? So I was like, I'm actually gonna wear this for my birthday. This was literally like what I thought of wearing for my birthday. So this is how it looks on my skin. You know, chocolate, looking good. This is how it looks. I'm just trying to get a thumbnail, but I already bleached the knots. Y'all already know how I bleach the knots and things like that. So I'm just styling her up. As you can see, I'm using the curling iron. I'm doing the wand curls. You know, I don't really know how to explain this, you know, but this is what I'm doing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Gonna do a little style. I don't really know what I had planned. I literally just did it, so y'all gonna just see me do it, and I hope y'all enjoy it, and I love y'all. And I hope y'all enjoyed my New York accent. Comment down below how I did, because your girl's from New York, you know what I'm saying? I'll just play. Enjoy this install, y'all. Nadula hair. I freaking love Nadula hair. The length is 26 inches. It got highlights. It's brown with the blonde. And I literally was so scared to try this, y'all. Let me say it in my New York accent. I was scared to try this, y'all. I was really scared. Like, I was mad, like bugging out. Like, I was really bugging, you know? I didn't know what to do. Like, I literally just tried it and, yo, came out bomb. Literally, like, it came out dope. So I hope y'all like it, and it's me on my birthday, y'all. I had a really amazing birthday. Look at me, bald head Lee. I'm literally so freaking cute with my little head. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy it. I'm not gonna talk the entire time because I am sick. I'm a little stuffy nosed, so I'll come back a little bit and explain when I was installing, because I was having a little bit of trouble, you know. But
what happened?
So
oh, shit.
Okay, just stay tuned.
Baby. Damn. See, I told you. You look real good.
Shipping was mad fast. Like, I literally was gonna be tight if they didn't get to me on time, you know, but they came on time, you know what I'm saying? So I forgot to throw that in there and let y'all know that, like, the shipping is real. The shipping is good, okay? Also, that was my man. That was my baby. As you do know, that's my husband, okay? I don't play about him, okay? I don't give no fucks about anything when it comes to him. I'll dead you, okay? I'm just playing. I'm going a little too deep with the New York. I don't know if they talk like that or not, but I had to change up the scenery because husband was taking a shower, washing his hips and stuff, and it was getting a little too hot and humid in there, so I had to take my butt into the other room and do the install. And the lighting actually came out really good in here, and y'all already know how I do this with the ball cap method and stuff. It was really sloppy, y'all. I did this in literally like 15 minutes, y'all. This is the fastest, and y'all know I'm still getting used to installing wigs, so like this was really, really hard for me to do it this fast because we had to make it on time to our reservations. You know, black people ain't never on time, honey. We was behind, like we was really behind, and I was trying to hurry up, so I didn't do the ball cap method perfect. I literally just did it how I could, and I had like probably 10 minutes to get this on my freaking head. So I pin curled it. I did these little I forgot what these are. Why can't I remember what these are called right now? I wand curled it. That's what it is. And I pinned them. I didn't let them stay too long, so it's not going to be super, super curly. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this install. And I freaking love y'all. Leave me some love in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this hair color. What do y'all think this hair... Oh, shut the fuck. Sorry, y'all. The ring doorbell. Let me know what y'all think about this hair color and how y'all think it looks on me, okay? I'm gonna catch y'all in the next install because your girl is bald, so we're gonna be doing some little wig installs. I don't think I got to mention how soft this hair is and easy it is for the hair to curl. It feels so... Oh, got burnt myself. Sorry. Girl, why'd you burn yourself? It feels really, really good. I didn't even have to flat iron too much at all. The hair feels really good. I didn't get to style it how I wanted to, but, well, as neat as I wanted to. The way I pictured it was more sleek and neat. And also I was going to do the part in the middle with the concealer. But I didn't get a chance to do that. Like I said, was in a rush. I was just ready to get to that reservation so I could eat me some food, honey. It was my birthday and I was ready to grub. So usually on this color hair, since it matches my skin so much, you can't see the part. And you would just add some concealer down the middle where your part would be if you were doing like half and half like this, like 2 ponytails or anything like that. You would put some concealer in the middle. So this is how I was looking on my birthday, y'all. I felt so cute, like a kitten. I hope y'all enjoyed the install. That's pretty much it for this. I'm gonna post some pictures hopefully, and y'all just stay tuned for some more installs like I said. Bye.